I'm Matthew Revell and I'm Director of Marketing at Exoscale. We're a public cloud provider based in Switzerland. So Exoscale is a public cloud provider, so that means we provide compute time and object storage and the sorts of things that you need to put a software as a service product online with per minute billing and all of that kind of cloudy spin up, spin down type of stuff. Really our role at Exoscale is to be a partner to people who are running, well, like I say, software as a service workloads, big data workloads, those sorts of things. And our entire service has been built around providing good support. So not only do we have a technically excellent product that's got great uptime, but also if you need us to help you, then we're there. We're not going to treat you as small fry that don't really matter to us. Every one of our customers matters. And I know it's easy for a company to say that, but one of the things that consistently reinforces that is that once people are with us, they don't leave. We have great churn rates. So yeah, we believe that we actually deliver on that great support message. Another thing that is quite interesting about us being based in Switzerland is the whole Swiss privacy thing. So Swiss data laws are very strict, which means that if you have things on our servers, then foreign governments can't come and sneak a peek at all your data without coming to you first and asking your permission. We're not bound by foreign government agencies. We are Swiss, and that's great. And of course, we want to move out of Switzerland, so we will build facilities out of the Swiss borders. But again, within the EU, we have stricter privacy laws and data protection laws than perhaps you might find elsewhere. But mostly, yeah, it's about that excellent level of service, about being a partner to people who are hosting things with us, and also offering that data protection and privacy. I think that what's interesting is that since the Edward Snowden stuff happened and so on, people are increasingly aware that things that they put on someone else's computer are not necessarily always safe from, like I say, government agencies and so on. So people are aware of it. So what it is an interesting conversation starter a lot of the time. And then once you get past that, then it's down to nuts and bolts really. Are you technically good? Is it easy to use your service? Is it easy to understand your pricing? Because with some services you pay a certain amount and then you have to pay for data and then you have to pay for IOPS and so on. Whereas with us, we're all about saying, well, if you have this level of service, if you have this VM in our cloud, it will cost you this per hour or this per month. And within a reasonable level, many gigabits of transfer, then you might have to pay a little bit more, but again, that's a cost. So really for us, it's about predictable pricing. So yes, the data privacy is something people are aware of, and it starts off conversations, but it's only, I think, a small number of people who actually choose a service based on that. There are certain workloads that require that, but after you've had that conversation initially, for most people it's about all the usual things, and that's where our commitment to support and so on comes in. So Cloud Expo Europe is one of those events where you can get to meet lots of different people, and we do different events for different reasons. Some you want to just grow awareness, some you want to get leads. Here I think it's really about just being seen and saying, well, we're here and you should consider us, but also about making connections with other people who are doing interesting things that complement what we do. 2016 for us is about a couple of things. One, about growing outside of our already excellent Swiss base. So we're moving into Germany, France, and to some extent the UK and the Netherlands as well. And really, we don't just want to be the Swiss public cloud provider, we want to be the public cloud provider for Europe. So there's that. We've also recently acquired the brand technology and some of the team from Cloud Control, who were a Berlin-based platform as a service provider. And we'll be integrating some of their technology into the Exoscale service. So you'll see some interesting new kind of complementary products coming out from Exoscale.